Here is an AI-proof, in-demand job for you. It's an aircraft cargo handling supervisor. They handle or they supervise the ground crew in the loading, unloading, securing, staging of aircraft cargo or baggage. All it takes is a high school diploma and being conversant with Outlook and warehouse management system software. The median wage is 32 an hour, and there are thousands of job openings projected. In the next posting, we will look at an AI-proof in-demand career that one can work from home. Here is to beautiful Mother Nature